family. Welcome you to Suki Maths class. Today we shall be talking about arithmetic progression. But before I start with that, if you haven't considered subscribing to this channel, please kindly do, because this video is going to be helpful for you. Okay? What do you understand by arithmetic progression? When a sequence has a constant difference between successive terms, it is referred to as what? AP. And AP is also known as the linear sequence. Let me repeat that again. When a sequence has a constant difference between successive terms, it is referred to as AP. And AP is also called the linear sequence. Okay? Take for instance, when we have A plus D, A plus 2D. Now the common difference here is simply D. Because look at common difference. Now from the word different you're actually subtracting. So when you take this, subtract this from this, you have A plus D, which is this second term here, minus A. You see, this eliminates this, so you are left with B. That's how I got to that. So another way is when you have a number 6, 8. The first number here is referred to as the first term. A is equals to 2, and this A is called the first term. And the common difference here is simply subtracting 4 minus 2. Okay, that will give us 2, which is this is referred to as a common difference. So in that case, we can easily establish formulas for what? For AP. Okay. Now, if A is the first term and D is the common difference, then the nth term of an AP is given by UN is equals to A plus N minus 1 close bracket D. That's equation 1. Look at UN is equals to A plus open bracket N minus 1 close bracket D. That's equation 1. Okay. Now the average of all terms in that sequence, average of all terms is given by the first term plus the last term all over 2, where this L is referred to as last term and is always given as this particular formula, A plus N minus 1 close bracket. So we can easily refer to as UN as what? As L, which is the last term. So I can call this equation 2, sorry. Then this is part of this. So if I replace equation 1 in equation 2, I'll be having replace equation 1 in equation 2. I'll be having A plus, which is L is simply A plus N minus 1 D, then all over 2. Now we can call this equation 3. So you can now say sum of an AP is given by Sn equals to N into bracket of this one, which is this, of this equation 3. So we have A plus N minus 1 D, then all over 2. So this implies that Sn is equals to N into bracket 2A plus N minus 1 close bracket D, then all over 2. So by bringing these two outside, we are going to have our Sn to be equals to n over 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 close bracket d. So that's equation 4. So the equation has been established. So these are the 4 equations that you actually need on in what? In AP. That will guide you on that. Okay, so this is what I have for you guys. Like I said before, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please kindly do. As we get more update on my next videos, because the next video is going to be out very soon. Stay tuned.